receive the names of players on the bench. That is on the people's side, right there. Technical team of people's side, wherever you are, we need the names in the next few seconds. You never know. We may also need the substitute in just within 5 minutes of the game. Now, if you don't have players in the pitch, I don't know what you're going to do because people's they look to be having lower voltage on the pitch than the parents right there. Mr. Stephen, I normally think player after parents worst